Hello, I'm BH Park, team leader of technical marketing team at Hanwha Solutions Byung Cable Division. I joined Hanwha Solutions in 2006 and have been deeply involved in the development of XLPE and Semicon materials for high voltage power cables for over 18 years. From 2007 to 2012, I worked on the development of extra high voltage XLPE, followed by an assignment to Saudi Arabia's gassy project from 2013 to 2016, gaining valuable on-site experience. Later, I led the XLPE expansion project and developed extra high voltage semicon materials. Since 2021, I have been leading the technical marketing team. Our technical marketing team goes beyond conventional marketing. We are responsible for R&D of commercialized product lines such as XLPE and Semicons, providing technical service and collaborating closely with our customers. We host technical seminars, actively participate in CIGRE workshop, and offer technical support to cable manufacturers who face challenges during production using Hanwha's materials. Ultimately, our mission is to enhance customers' production efficiency and product quality, strengthening Hanwha Solutions' leadership in the global market. Our customers often reach out regarding issues related to processability, product quality, and electrical properties during cable production using XLPE and Semicon materials. Our team provides comprehensive support from on-site analysis and troubleshooting to process optimized solutions. The goal is to help improve productivity and minimize defect rate for our customers. We regularly hold technical seminars for customers and industry partners, sharing the latest material technologies and application cases. Additionally, as a collective member of CIGRE, we actively participate in workshops and general sessions, staying ahead of emerging trends like HVDC and submarine cables. These engagements help us expanding our global network and foster new collaboration opportunities. Our current focus is on the development of XLPE for low degassing, eco-friendly materials, and high-performance semicons optimized for extra high voltage cables. In particular, aligning with the global trend toward carbon neutrality and energy transition, we are expanding our portfolio of sustainable materials while continuously enhancing performance in demanding applications. Our strength lies in the close integration between product development, R&D, sales, productions, and technical marketing. We provide tailored solutions quickly thanks to the seamless collaboration across departments. One key differentiator is a commitment to dedicated technical support. Starting in the second half of 2025, we will have a specialized technical service personnel based in our Italy Milan office, specifically focused on providing real-time support to European cable manufacturers. By having experts stationed locally, we'll be able to respond immediately to customer production challenges, ensuring adequate solutions and minimizing production delays. Additionally, we consistently offer competitive advantages in product quality, processability, and sustainability, always aligned with the evolving needs of global customers. Joining CIGRE as a collective member allows us to take an active role in discussion in industry standards and the future direction of power grid sectors. We plan to have our team members participate in study committees and working groups contributing to advancement in high voltage cable material technologies. Through this, we aim to provide even better technical solutions for our customers and expand our global network. My leadership philosophy is simple. Technology starts with solving customer problems. Internally, I focused on creating an environment where team members are encouraged to listen to the voice of customer and respond flexibly to market demands. Moving forward, our goal is to remain a trusted partner who grows together with customers, delivering tangible value through technology and innovation.